Don't you ever disrespect a woman again. You kicked a woman in her head. And me, as a grown man, I'm gonna defend her with this. Lightning and thunder. Okay, bucko, you want lightning and thunder at your door? Cause you know what is the storm? Or tornado, buddy. A tornado with black security guards. As soon as if the island boys would have got up, the security guards would have swarmed him, jumped on him. That's what they get paid to do. But Jack Dorothy, buddy, you wet tissue, you flowers hit at the perfect direction by the sunlight. You is a rom-com, buddy. You soft. You soft. You a Tempur-Pedic mattress. Too soft. Too soft. Put nigga to sleep soft. I can't believe this is who people is crowning. Dorothy. Y'all niggas love Dorothy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Till the next one. I'm out.